I'm Tarotist Maggie Norton, and today I'd love to bring you the tarot card of the week. We have the Six of Swords this week. I get all excited about anything to do with communication. I feel like communication is the bridge in all relationships, internally and externally. The Six of Swords emphasizes communication. One, it brings things into a state of clarity, but then it's our responsibility and our honor to be able to share our clarity and our understanding of who we are, why we are, what we've gone through with other people. It helps humanity grow. It helps consciousness expand to new levels. It's the sharing of our story that is so, so important. At the Six of Swords this week, you have an opportunity to communicate with grace, with ease, with a level of really clear understanding about where you've been, what got you here, how you got here, what you had to shift and change to get here. And now that the lessons that you had learned, other people can learn from what you've been through. Other people may not have to go through things as harsh or as serious maybe as you have had to go through them by sharing your story. Be like, you know what, here's what I did, here's what I learned, and here's how I grew through the challenges that were in my life, or just the life lessons. Okay, it doesn't always have to be challenging. Remember, life doesn't have to be hard. We're actually here to have a good time. We just have to figure out how. At the Six of Swords, you've got some of that figured out, and you can share your story to help others figure that out. It's really fun. So I encourage you to have those conversations this week. First with yourself. Come to that level of understanding. I talk to myself, I journal, I do things like that to communicate with myself. But also, I find it really, really important to be able to share my story and to communicate with others. If you have been wanting to say something and have been holding back, I would encourage you to maybe put it out there this week. You know, find a balance within yourself, a unification within yourself, so that when you are able to communicate, it comes from a really centered place. Everyone hears a message that comes from a centered place versus a not so centered place. Everyone hears it better, you know, with maybe more grace, maybe more fluidity and ease. So have fun this week. Don't forget to speak, use your voice, share your story with the world, and I will talk to you soon. Have a great week.